Good morning. I'm gonna try and make this quick because I got 15 minutes. Oh my gosh, my hair. Alright, so we're going on day 3 of very little sleep, so we'll see if I can make sense of this whole thing and make any sense. Okay, so the Defend Innocence Kudos was from August. And let's see, I probably should have prepared a little bit better than this. And I didn't. So it was a gorgeous pressed shadow. It was also a very pretty crushed lipstick in the color Compassionate, which I will use. It's kind of a red metallic crush. And then it was a metallic liquid liner, and I need to find that. I'm not quite sure what that one. Here it is. And kind of like a slate, like a metallic silver. It's really pretty. So I thought I'd just get on and show you that. I posted about it yesterday. It's still not sold out. Younique was founded to support women that have been sexually abused as children, and so I feel like it's kind of a really important thing to remember, especially around the holidays, is that we're not just selling makeup, we're selling makeup to help those that need help. So selling makeup to those who need help. Okay, I'm gonna put I'm gonna grab my blending brush. I'm gonna grab this Timid color. I don't want to take away from that gorgeous silver, but I feel like we need a transition. Hey, Papa. If you feel like my video, my name is Sarah, by the way. I'm a pink status presenter with Younique, and if you feel like this video could be shared, I'd appreciate the shares. It helps me, helps my business, helps my platform, helps, hey Teresa, anybody involved with the Younique Foundation. So do me a favor today, look up the Younique Foundation and check it out, see what it's about, see why we do what we do, and what a lot of the donations go to. It's kind of important. I'm just going to keep it real simple today. If I'm going to put the Defend Innocence color on, I don't want to take it away from anything. So this is what I'm going to wear. I'm going to grab, I'm debating on what to put with it. I'm going to wear a bright red sweater. Hey Papa, good morning. I think I'm going to wear a red sweater, but it's got a lot of really pretty colors in it. So what I think I'll do, I'm going to grab Cynical, which is a really blue, gray, green color. It's really pretty. And I'm going to grab my deluxe brush. I'm just going to tap some of that on the outer corner of my eye. I want to deepen the corner, but I really want that silver color to really kind of pop. So I'm going to put this on first, blend it out, and then I'm going to put that on. Like I said, I'm going to try and make this a quick look today. Yes, sir. As far as I know it is. I'm going to try. Millie and Declan have had some issues sleeping. I'm not quite sure what's going on with that. So I haven't gotten a whole lot of sleep. I know Todd's struggling with having enough sleep too, so we'll make do. It's a short week. We can do it. If you guys are in Galesburg this weekend, I'm doing a vendor event at Costa. You guys come see me at Costa. I'm going to be there with my Younique stuff. Be fun. It's like a kids event. It's actually really fun. They've got arts and crafts. They've got a movie. They've got get photos taken of your kids or your family. It looks like it's gonna be really fun. Grab some last minute, well, not really last minute. You can grab some stocking stuffers for me if you want. I don't want a harsh line, so I really want to kind of blend that out. I may have to get my crease brush and do a little bit of that. I put eye primer on this morning before I put my eyebrows on, and that really makes my eyeshadow really stick to my eye. It's like glue for your eyeshadow. It's incredible. There it is. There we go. That's better. Millie's also been up since 4:45 this morning. My alarm went off at 4:30, but I don't want to get up, so I hit snooze. And she is, of course, sleeping right next to me, so it woke her up too. I woke up, pushed her off me because she's laying right on top of me, and she goes, I think I'll get up. So I'm just going to dab a little bit of that gorgeous shimmery color from the Definitive Innocence Kudos right there on my lid. With these shimmers or metallics, it actually, I feel like you get a better, more vibrant color when you use your finger. So I really enjoy doing that. Alright, that's it. I'm going to put on some of this liquid liner and some mascara, and we're done with that. Have you guys tried the Dip and Draw? They're amazing. I love the Dip and Draw liners. Okay, so this is the color of the Dip and Draw today. See that? It's really pretty. I always start from the outside and work my way in, and then I meet kind of in the middle. And I am by no means an expert at the liquid liner, but this is really easy to use. This is still available if you get on. It's not under Kudos, it's under, I'm not really sure what it's under. I should probably check out and see. Good morning. This would be a really good deal for you guys. It's on a discount already. It's not one of our Black Friday deals, but it is a really nice gift idea. Okay, so there's my eyeliner. I'm gonna keep it simple today, you guys. I'm gonna put my mascara on and call it a day. For my eyes, then I gotta put lipstick on. I keep forgetting I got lipstick to put on. I always get a little bit of the liquid liner in my eyelashes, so I like to comb them out before I put my mascara. So the Black Friday deal this morning is, and I cannot find it. I don't know where I took it to convention this summer. One of the scents, I believe it was I got the yellow one. I got the yellow scent this summer and I really enjoyed it. It's nice and fresh without being overly floral or sweet. And so I really enjoy that one. And like I said, I still have stuff in baggies that I have not unpacked from convention in August, and I think that's where it is. But anyway, we have scent rollers. You can pick any 2 scent rollers, and we have 4 scents to pick from for $29 for the Black Friday deal today. So if you haven't gotten stocking stuffers or gifts for your kids' teachers or a friend at work, an office, Prezi, these would be a great way of getting those taken care of. I hope everybody stayed warm this weekend, stayed out of the snow. Not weekend. When did it even snow? I've been out of the loop so long, like we've been home for almost an entire week. This week, I should say. I told you, I haven't even had my coffee yet. I'm running on pretty much 0 sleep. Help me out here a little. So I'm just using the waterproof Epic this morning. I'm going to put a couple coats on the top, 1 on the bottom. I used some of the lip exfoliator this morning, and I also exfoliated with one of my kids' old toothbrushes to really get off some of that dry skin. I'm struggling with that. Alright, lipstick. We're going to use the Defend Innocence bundle lipstick in Compassionate, which is... I'm going to wipe some of this off. My towel's gross, you guys. I'm not going to lie. This is a crush powder lipstick. I'm going to move those over. So it's a powder on the inside. And then as soon as it touches your skin, it turns into a cream. And these actually, I really like the metallic ones over the matte ones. That's just my personal preference. But I really like this color. And Millie likes this color a lot too. If you got the metallic splash yesterday, I have a feeling this is probably going to be fairly similar to that color. It's so pretty. You guys, this is such a great deal. Okay, this is the Defend Innocence. Let me hold this up. Defend Innocence Kudos from August. It's still available. I posted about it yesterday. It is such a great group of colors. And it is still for sale. I will comment below when I get off here and figure out where on earth on the website it is. So it takes you right there. It's really easy. And it goes to a really good cause. All the proceeds, I don't make a dime off of this, you guys. All the proceeds go right to the Younique Foundation, the Defend Innocence campaign. Okay? Do yourself a favor. Check out youniquefoundation.org and the Defend Innocence campaign and educate yourselves a little bit. 1 in 4 women are sexually abused as children and young adults. Sad. Really is. Okay, so on that happy note, let's have a great day. If you have any questions, please let me know. I would be happy to answer any of those questions that you might have, and I will see you later. Bye.